Hello, welcome to today's talk. All my dear friends, dear homeopaths, all colleagues of homeopathy, dear students of homeopathy, and all lovers of homeopathy. I have come online again to share a very interesting case and a very interesting remedy. So we will begin with the case. This is a very interesting case. This is a very old case of mine. Say a male patient, his age was 45 years. He came to me and he was a tailor. He was specialized in making suits, stitching the suits in one of the very renowned brand. He was a master. He's called as master. Now he came with his wife and he started narrating his problem. So he had problem. He said, "Sir, I have problem of indigestion. I have digestion problems. My diet is very less, sir, and also my appetite is decreased." So I asked him, "Since when your appetite is less?" He said, "It's since long time, sir. Now, since last 3 months, I got transferred to Ratnagiri, and from there, my troubles have increased as food and water had changed, and I have to eat there outside. I have to eat a mess food, but I'm not able to digest that food, sir. वो खाना पचता नहीं है, and my appetite has also gone down." See, further he said, "Sir, my weight is also 35 kg." And then I asked him, "Why? How your weight is so less? How it can be only 35 kg?" So he stopped for a few time, and I could see that there was something in his eye, something wrong. He was on the verge of crying. So his wife interfered and she said, "Sir, since our marriage, since last 16 years, he is like this only, sir. His weight is very less. He is only 35, 36, and he has this digestion problem." So my question was, that patient started telling them, "Sir, actually what happened, I was very healthy previously. My weight was also good, and that was before my marriage. By before my marriage, my weight was also good. I was eating very well. I was around 55 kg." So I asked him, "What happened? Have you got underweight?" Patient started saying, "Sir, I used to stay in a village with my parents, and I used to do farming work and also tailoring, as it was our family business. I was doing tailoring work. I was very robust. I was very strong at that time. And sir, what happened? We had a very severe drought in our village. Sukha pad gaya, sir. So most of the people had to migrate. They have to leave their places. So we also were having scarcity of food. So I had to come to Jalgaon. I have to come to Jalgaon. I came to Jalgaon. My elder brother was there and he was living there, and he was married and he was working in a shop. So I went to his place. I also took up a job in a tailoring shop. Sir, my diet was very huge. I used to eat 5 to 6 chapati at a time. And because of that, my bhabhi, my brother, sister-in-law, she used to taunt me. My bhabhi used to taunt me about my eating. And after few days, few months, my brother and bhabhi started playing dirty games with me. Bhabhi used to cook very little food or no food at times. And my brother and I used to go to the job in the morning. We used to leave the home, and then she used to cook, and she didn't used to cook anything in the morning. But what happened? My brother used to come back home for lunch and he used to eat, and I was treated very badly, sir. I I I was empty stomach for half of the day or up to the afternoon, evenings, and I was only drinking tea. I was drinking tea. I was on tea only. And sir, from that time, my health and my weight started to reduce. They both behaved very, very badly with me. And because of them, my health had gone down. And at that point, pain of that was very visible in his eyes. His eyes got wet. And again, he was saying, sir, at that point, my parents also didn't supported me. They always spoke on brother's side. After a year or so, I separated from that room. I stood on myself without anyone's support. So I asked, now what you feel about your brother and bhabhi and parents? Patient said, I don't speak with them, sir. Especially brother and bhabhi, I don't speak with them. I don't go to their home also for any function. I don't have any anger about them, but I don't like seeing them. See what he's saying? I don't have anger about them, but I don't like to see them. So I avoid going to their homes for any function. But I have no hard feelings for them. But I feel because of them I am weak, sir. Because of those days they mistreated me, and from that point my weight appetite went down day by day, day by day. My father is no more, and my mother stays with me now. A patient's wife interfered and told, but sir, when his bhabhi was very ill and in a hospital, this man, our patient, he helped them financially. He gave them money for treatment of his bhabhi. I asked, how is he at home? Patient's wife, sir, he is very good natured, but he cannot forget that past behavior of his brother and bhabhi. He remembers that. See, my observation was he was tall but very slim. He was underweight. He was narrating his story very, very emotionally. He became very emotional at one point. He wept. He started, tears were coming out at a point. Now, see, this was a case, and how will we proceed in such cases? Now, here pathology is what nothing pathology was not. He went to allopathic doctors. They given him some tablets for weight increasing, for appetite increasing, but it was not helping. How to proceed in such cases? See how I proceeded. See what I could solve this case to his understanding his mental state. Now see, he said he was blaming his brother and bhabhi, right, for his condition. See, he is throughout in wrong suffered by brother and bhabhi, and he's saying that they did wrong with them, and because of them, my condition is like this, right? So I took the rubric delusion, wrong suffered he has. Because of their wrong deeds, I am suffering. And see what? Because of their wrong deeds, he had to starve. भूखा रहना लग पड़ गया. दिन भर I was only drinking tea. Starve, starvation, भूखा रह गया. Right? So I took this rubric delusion, starved, being starved. And because of it, I have gone weak day by day. दिन ब दिन मेरी हालत खराब होती गई. Right? Delusion wasting away, become weaker day by day. Right? 55 kg to now landed upon 35 kg. Right? And next rubric I could take was delusion, injury, being injured, surrounding by. What he was saying, no one was supporting me. Bhabhi and brother was behaving me like I am someone. They were not behaving properly with me, right? And that injury was caused by his surrounding, and in his surrounding his family was there, his brother, his bhabhi, right? That were causing him injury, and that injury is still persisting. Also he said na, at that Ratnagiri place, environment is not suiting. That environment, I could not eat proper, I could not digest. There was humid atmosphere there. I could not cope up with that. So there also we could correlate this. So what remedy comes? See, furthermore, what he said, father and mother also took brother's side, says तेरा ही गलती होगा, तू ही ध्यान नहीं देता होगा, and he felt everyone has neglected him, मेरे तरफ किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया. This is a delusion, neglected he is, right? And weeping emotion slightest after, his wife also confirmed this rubric, that sir, he is a very very emotional kind of a person, he is a very sensitive kind of person, he starts weeping very soon, right? So these were few of the mental rubrics which I picked up. And see, when we put this, we club this rubric together, we come to a remedy called as Naja, right? And I prescribed him Naja 30. 3 doses were given to him, and in follow-ups he was better. 2-month follow-up he felt better, his appetite increased, and his weight also increased up to 39 kg. And this is a very old case, 2010 case, and I am still in follow-up with this guy. He is now going around 52 53 kg, his weight is that, he's stable. And most of important was that feeling of being injured, right, and wrong suffered, that was broken, and he was so much better after Naja 30. He could cope up with his feelings. His feelings were much better. That wrong suffered feeling, injured feeling, that all went away, and he could move on with his life. So we will just evolve this wonderful remedy through few of the rubrics from the mind section. See, Naja is prepared from Indian Cobra, everyone knows, right? Now this is from Dr. Sankaran's book. Now the Indian Cobra or Naja is highly respected, considered very godly. People used to worship this Nag Devta, right? And this person, according to Dr. Sankaran, they have some kind of nobility, morality, sense of responsibility. This is seen in our case also, that this guy, in spite of being injured, in spite of being treated badly, he was having responsibility. He had responsibility towards his that bhabhi, right? They have nobility, morality. This is Naja. See, these basic rubrics are, they are very quiet, they are very timid, as all snakes are timid, sentimental, serious kind of person, vivaciousness at night. See, they are very cheerful kind of a person. There's cheerfulness again night. They are very cheerful at night. They like company. They are also loquacious. They like to talk a lot. See, this kind of people, they have anxiety for others. They keep self away. They give importance to others first. See, elements from grief, they have elements from domination, elements from abuse after being married, See, these delusions we had seen, delusion neglected, injury being injured, delusion wrong suffered. This is very common of Naja. See, this is important. They have fear of rain. They have hydrophobia. See, this is very typical. Naja have dreams of God, deities, gods and goddesses. They like to be near to be a fire. We will always have this important symptom, that they like to be near, go to the fire. See, answers never answers. They are very shy kind of a person. Don't like to express themselves much. See, there also runs two thoughts run parallel, right? But most of the time nobility comes ahead in case of Naja. See, in end stages they can go to a suicidal disposition. We know that Naja is a remedy for suicidal thoughts. Suicidal disposition especially acts with a X. See, we all know that Naja is a very noble kind of person. They lack emotions like anger, hatred, jealousy, maliciousness, cruelty. Thank you for patiently listening. This is my contact number.